For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
In a recent turn of events, Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa stated that the state government will approach the Karnataka High Court to appoint a Claims Commissioner officer. The Claims Commission officer will recover costs for the damage caused to property during the violence in East Bengaluru.
Our government has decided to assess the damages caused to the public and private property in the violent incidents in KG Halli and DJ Halli and recover the costs from the culprits. We will approach the Honorable High Court for appointment of Claim Commissioner as per Honorable Supreme Court order.
This development came after Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa chaired a meeting with Chief Secretary, Home Secretary, Advocate General and senior police officers at his residence. The Chief Minister further stated that stringent action has been initiated against DJ Halli and KG Halli violence case.
Stringent action has been initiated against the culprits of DJ Halli and KG Halli violent incidents, including invoking of the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act, UAPA Act.
Meanwhile, Home Minister Basavaraj Bommai emphasized on appointing claims officer to assess the damage caused to the property in Bengaluru violence.
In accordance with a Supreme Court order, the appointment of a Claims Commissioner by the High Court is necessary for the purpose of assessing the damage caused and recovery of the cost from the culprits.
On the other hand, Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa said that a special investigation team has already been constituted to probe the Bengaluru violence case.
A special investigation team has already been formed to conduct a detailed investigation in the matter, and a team of 3 special prosecutors will be appointed for speedy trial of cases. SIT will consider invoking Gunda Act if warranted.
Interestingly, Congress legislator Akhanda Srinivas Murthy, whose house was torched by the rioters, hasn't named anyone in his complaint. The Congress legislator further met Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa and sought a CBI probe into the incident. He also requested the state government to provide compensation to the residents whose vehicles were set ablaze by the rioters. Akhanda Srinivas Murthy was also accompanied by BJP MLA Arvind Limbavali, triggering speculations that he might join the Saffron Party. Meanwhile, Bangalore Commissioner of Police Kamal Pant extended Section 144 in the DJ Halli and KG Halli police station limits till 6 am of August 21st. On the other hand, CCB has summoned Pulikeshi Nagar Ward Corporator Sampath Raj in connection with Bengaluru violence case. Cops suspect that local politics might have played a major role in the riots. More than 380 people have been questioned by CCB and DJ Halli cops. They have been asked to appear at CCB office in Chamarajpet for questioning. Riots and unrest prevailed in Bengaluru after the house of Pulikeshi Nagar MLA Akhanda Srinivas Murthy was burnt down following an offensive post. The offensive social media post by the nephew of Congress leader R. Akhanda Srinivas Murthy triggered violence in the city. Hundreds of people went on a rampage on the deadly night where a mob attacked the DJ Halli police station, set ablaze vehicles and destroyed the furniture. Several vehicles were torched, street lights were vandalized and cops were assaulted and journalists were manhandled by mobs. A total of 52 FIRs have been registered in connection with Bengaluru violence. Over 300 people have been accused of launching an attack.